Hey everyone, my name is Alexandra and I go by Alex. I live in Shelton, Connecticut, which is about 15 minutes from Long Island Sound and then about 60 minutes from New York City. Fun fact is that Shelton, Connecticut is actually home to the Wiffle Ball Factory, which is really cool as well. I enjoy all New York sports, so I follow the Yankees, Giants, and Rangers. Perks of being so close to New York City is that I am able to go and enjoy these games all the time, which is really cool too. For my hobbies, I enjoy just being outside, all sports, like I was saying, but more specifically softball. I actually played and pitched throughout my 4 years of high school and then 4 years of college as well. I attended Elmira College, which is in upstate New York by Ithaca and Cornell, and I graduated with my bachelor's in biology. I also have a rescue golden retriever, and her name is Indy, and it is short for Indiana Jones, which everybody loves that one as well. For my occupation, I actually work for a major retail company and I open new stores across the country. So I'm definitely on the road a lot, which I don't mind because I enjoy traveling in general. So, for example, this past January, I just got back from a trip to Morocco with one of my best friends, which was absolutely amazing as well. So when I'm home from projects and home from all my travels, I also am an EMT in my hometown, and I also volunteer at Yale New Haven Hospital in a geriatric department. And I've been doing both of those for about 2 years now as well. So with all of my traveling and my work schedule, this course at UNE will just give me the flexibility that I am looking for, which is pretty cool too. So therefore, I'm taking this course in order to fulfill a science prerequisite for PA school, which I will be applying to in the near future. But other than that, I look forward to working with all of you throughout this course, and good luck to everyone, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks!